Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today I am back with another video and we are going to do a Printful fulfillment product all over design. I think I'm going to go ahead and do the hoodie. I'm going to use one of the donut all over prints that I designed in a previous video, just so we can kind of be in and out with this. No need to waste time, but you can find this product in the back of your Printful office, and we're just going to choose one of the all over design hoodies. If you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. So I'm over on Printful, and basically let me go back so you can know how I found this. I just went to my stores and I went to my Printful stores and I hit add a product. I then scrolled down to all hoodies and sweaters, and I scrolled down until I saw all over print hoodies. Okay, so it is right here. They have a hoodie, they have a sweatshirt, so I'm going to choose the hoodie. And then I already have my donut design up, so I have two. I have one that's like a little bigger, and then I have this one that's the donuts are like much smaller. So the only thing about this one is it's like you can see some pink space, but I didn't want to do it again. So then you upload it to the front. I'm gonna upload it to the back. And then when it comes to the sleeve, I'm gonna switch it up and I'm gonna use the bigger donuts so it can give it a different look. And I'm gonna put the bigger donuts on the left sleeve as well. I'm just letting you guys know that it will the design will show up as just how you create it. So I'm gonna put the pocket, I'm gonna put the bigger donuts on the pocket, and I'm gonna put the smaller donuts on the hood here. And then it has like a little inside label that you could do. I don't know, it's probably your logo or something like that. So I'm gonna go here and go back to the product so I can choose if I want white or black. I'm going to choose the stitch color to be white. Then I'm going to hit that mock-up view so we can see what it looks like. So it's doing its thing, generating our mock-up view so you can see what it looks like. So here is the all over print hoodie. You can see where I put the smaller donuts and then where I put the larger donuts here. So it gives that look. Here is another full view. Here's the back view. And then here is the back view with the hood down. So that's basically a quick all over print. Of course, the all over print will look like however you design for it. This was just something fun that I did, and it has these donuts on there. Super fun to create and look at. And it's always good to see how the design comes out. Of course, it's a donut. Who does not want, it makes me hungry right now, actually. So if you wanted to add this to your store, you would just definitely proceed to the mockups and then add it to your store. But I wanted to show you guys how you can create all over prints in Printful. You have seen me in the previous video actually create the print in Made with Over, and I transferred it to my Printful store. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video of an all over print design on Printful fulfillment site. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.